In this video we'll discuss the application options that are available with the Horsch sprayers. On this 48 meter boom, we have it plumbed on 50 centimeter spacing with Raven Hawkeye 2 PWM nozzle control. That ensures that our application rate remains constant regardless of the speed we travel. It also gives us more control over the droplet size of that spray application to ensure that we're not going to be causing a lot of off-target application. Horsch also offers an auto select system, so we can use tiered air to switch between nozzles. We do have the option on the narrower boom, so 36 meter boom, that we can run 25 centimeter nozzle spacing. That becomes increasingly important as we run a low boom. Because we can put the boom that low, that 25 centimeter nozzle spacing ensures that we're not going to get gaps between those 110 degree nozzles and give us the best application that's available. It also works in with a lot of the camera systems that are coming to market to ensure that we're future-proofing the builds as we're doing the right thing for chemical application. Please get in contact and we'd be happy to show you what this machine can do on your farm.